Welcome back. Right now we're just gonna grind it to shape. So that'll probably take a while, but we got 2 angle grinders, so it's okay. And I'm wearing a face mask, that's why my voice sounds funny. Alright, let's get to it. And all you gotta do is just make sure it's up there. And that'll fall if you're not careful with it.
Does it look like it's at the right angle?
I'm not sure. I'm gonna get a chair. Or the ladder.
Yeah, it's pointed the wrong way.
What?
Pointed the wrong way.
It's not. Okay, start grinding a little. Not that type, but you know what I mean. All right, rooftop recording. Nothing. Carry on. All right. This does meet OSHA safety standards. Nope. Don't worry.
Of course.
Okay.
Especially with the tank of gas there.
Oh, yeah. You got your phone on you? Yeah. Turn the light on. Alright, I'm coming back for you, camera. I'm just gonna knock you off the roof. With a stick. Gotcha. There you are. Okay.
Hey, check this out.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks like we did quite a bit of work considering the fact that we're only using angle grinders. We're gonna need to get in here with the, yeah, that looks great. We're gonna need to get in here with the,
That looks good.
you keep interrupting me.
Sorry.
With the drill press and get these parts knocked out right here. The sides out.
Oh yeah, that's a great idea.
But yeah, here's what I did on this side. Make the flat part, and we're gonna drill a hole right down in the middle. But we'll get back to you tomorrow with an update, and when it's lighter out, we can check out this, and when it's cooled down and everything, we'll get back to it. All right.